Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So, we're diving into the Technivorm Moccamaster, specifically the 49,520 KM5 with the KBT brewer, right? It's that iconic, polished, silver look.
And pitting it against the ultimate home coffee roasting starter kit. Talk about different approaches to the perfect cup. One's about precision brewing, the other's about total control.
Exactly. The Moccamaster is all about that consistent, high-quality drip. It's got a burr grinder, 50mm flat steel burrs, stepless adjustment. Sounds like it's built for dialing in the perfect grind for drip.
The roasting starter kit is a whole different beast. It's got the Fresh Roast State Route 800 roaster, a bean cooler, Keiming Times, a burr grinder. Think of it as going from green bean to finished cup. All in one box.
Roasting your own? That's next level. The Moccamaster KBT brewer makes a 40-ounce pot in about 6 minutes, and that manual adjust brew basket lets you tweak the flow. It's all about optimizing the brewing process itself.
This kit lets you roast 6 to 8 ounces at a time, which is perfect for small batches and experimenting. The grinder has 16 settings, which might not be stepless, but still gives you a good range. Plus, it comes with 2 pounds of green beans to get you started.
So it really boils down to convenience versus complete control. Right, the Moccamaster grinder's static reducing spout is a nice touch. Less mess is always a win, and that direct drive motor sounds powerful and efficient.
The roasting kit is for the coffee obsessive. Want to try different roast levels? Different bean origins? This is your playground. That glass extension tube for the roaster is supposed to improve heat distribution for a more even roast.
Good point. The Moccamaster is handmade in the Netherlands, and it's got a 5-year warranty, which speaks to its build quality. It's a classic for a reason.
The roasting kit is more of an investment up front, but you're saving money on pre-roasted beans in the long run. Plus, the satisfaction of roasting your own coffee is hard to beat. Both seem like fantastic options, depending on your priorities and how deep you want to go into the coffee rabbit hole.
Exactly. The Moccamaster is for someone who wants a consistently excellent cup of coffee with minimal fuss. You buy your favorite beans, grind, brew, and enjoy.
And the roasting starter kit is for the adventurous coffee geek who wants to explore the entire process, from green bean to perfectly extracted espresso. It's a hobby as much as it is a way to get your caffeine fix.
Exactly. It all depends on your coffee style and how much time you want to invest in the process. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.